Okay.
Now you see this is a weakness happening here. If you start to lose these pieces of hair, it gets weaker and weaker and this gets softer. So there are two ways you can do. You could either blunt it or you could just crochet directly and make it stronger. Choice is yours. You could do it this way or you could blunt the end and make it stronger so you don't lose that little tip, because as they continue breaking, then the breaking never stops. This is the power and benefit of crocheting. If you want to learn how to crochet, click on the link on my bio. Okay, and you'll be able to learn for $149. That's just about it. You'll be able to learn about all these frees. You can manage it very fast, and it's not as complicated as you see me do it like this. It's like 1 2 3 4 5, and I show you literally on very reduced to slow motion on my video. You get to see exactly how I put in the needle, how I pull. You get to see the microscopic part of what these fibers are being pulled. Click on the link on my bio. Do yourself a favor. Peace out.